5 things about our non-conformist love.
That can help you make your relationship better.
Hi, I'm Gurnoor. I'm the founder of House of GKB and Delhi Queer Spaces, and I am madly in love with Ayushi.
Oh. Hi, I'm Ayushi, and I am a writer and entrepreneur, and I am crazy about Gurnoor. Lesson number 1, kill the gender script. And what I mean by that is that in our relationship there is no masculine or feminine energy जो हम दोनों को follow करनी है. There's nothing like that. We are both women. I mean, of course.
जो हमारा मन करता है वो हम करते हैं. एक दिन मुझे कुकिंग करने का मन करता है तो मैं कुकिंग कर लेती हूँ. जब आयुषी का मन करता है वो कर लेती है. Yeah, I think दोनों का काम सब कुछ है. या इक्वल है.
इक्वल है. दोनों का काम सब कुछ है. दोनों का काम सब कुछ नहीं है. किसी के भी मन में या फिर किसी के भी बिहेवियर में वो हेवीनेस नहीं है कि oh like this is what a particular masculine or feminine energy is supposed to do in a relationship. That's not what our relationship is like. We just are.
It gives us a lot of freedom to be who we want to be, to explore ourselves. And also it really helps in the relationship in general, in communication, in making, in doing day-to-day things. And because we don't have this pressure कि मुझे ये करना है और उसे ये करना है, it's truly freeing, honestly. Lesson number 2, humor. It is so important to be funny according to your partner at least. Ayushi definitely makes me feel like I am the funniest person in the whole wide world.
Which you are.
But honestly, अगर आपके relationship में humor नहीं है, तो आप मतलब how are you going to spend the rest of your life? Life is not entertaining. You have to make it entertaining.
The main thing is it adds so much flavor to the relationship. If something is stressful in life or at home or whatever, it just वो एक शांति हो जाती है उससे. At the end of the day हमको पता है कि vent कर लिया and उसके बाद we're just gonna go to bed laughing. And if you can't laugh with your partner, then maybe
that's just not the right person for you. Oh, yeah. Lesson number 3. It's about finding love in the ordinary things. We have a great chemistry between us, that's for sure. But I think what I absolutely love is our everyday. If I want to sleep in a little late, you'll handle the help in the morning.
Maybe मैं travel करने जा रही हूँ and she knows I'm not gonna pack my medicines and I will need my headache medicine. But मैं नहीं रखने वाली हूँ. That's just a character flaw that's gonna be there. But every time I'd be out and I'll open my bag and there that medicine would be. Who put it? Gurnoor.
Not just that medicine, every other medicine required. Small little things which are unsaid but make like a really huge difference.
And the fact that we don't necessarily, there doesn't necessarily always have to be that physical intimacy for the love to continue.
Yeah.
And it's actually in those small things of like सुबह उठ के दोनों को बात नहीं करनी है but she's having her coffee, I'm having my tea and हम बैठे हुए हैं बस.
We're very comfortable with silence. In fact, if one person even says that I want me time, we're so encouraging कि जाओ, do your own thing, be your own person.
Basically, all those mundane things, those boring bits that happen in the day-to-day, reclaiming them and finding those pockets of love there, those small moments, that's where the magic is.
So cute. Yeah. Okay, lesson number 4. Challenge stereotypes and build your own love template. Please किसी की ये social media की या movies की ये बात मत सुनो कि same-sex relationships or any relationships are supposed to be this way or that way. Now look at us. We've built our own life and it's not easy.
ऐसा नहीं है जैसे हम सब सोशल मीडिया पे और मूवीज़ में देखते हैं कि ओ माय गॉड ये तो केवल ग्लिटर लगा के ऐसे प्राइड परेड में ही ऐसे डांस करके इनका लव होता है. नो, नॉट रियली, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. It's just so normal, and you can build your own normal, and isn't that beautiful? You have this blank canvas of a relationship, and you can paint whatever you want in it.
Just the way you want to.
You can be your own Picasso.
You can be your own rainbow.
Yeah.
And you don't even have to be queer to be a rainbow. Yeah. We'll have to create our own templates in general, whether it's a hetero relationship or it's not.
बेसिकली प्रेशराइज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि ऐसे ही वैलेंटाइंस मनाना है या फिर ऐसे ही प्रपोज करना है. अरे हमने रील देखी थी कि ये करके ही प्रपोज करते हैं तो वही करना है, ऐसे ही जेंडर रिवील करना है, सब करना है ऐसे ही. इसका वो ज़रूरी नहीं है. द होल पॉइंट इज़ कि अपनी गाड़ी के मैकेनिक खुद बनो. बैठोगे मेरी गाड़ी में? लेसन नंबर 5 इज कमिटमेंट. एंड कमिटमेंट का मतलब हमेशा ये नहीं होता है कि अच्छा एक पेपर पे साइन कर दिया अब तो हम लीगली बाइंड हो गए हैं. एंड
दो वी विश कि हम लीगली बाइंड हो सकते.
बट दैट कमिटमेंट डज कम, ओके इट कम्स फ्रॉम पेपर, बट मोर देन एनीथिंग इट कम्स फ्रॉम द हार्ट. क्योंकि अगर आपने वो एक्सेप्टेंस अपने पार्टनर को नहीं दिया, आपने वो लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट अपने पार्टनर को नहीं दिया, तो कमिटमेंट आप कितने भी पेपर साइन कर लो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा.
It's about putting your partner first. It's about standing beside them, not standing away from anyone else. It's about respect. It's about being okay with having tough conversations. It's about just being there steadily, boringly, and foreverly, I guess. Yeah. Whether it's making the decision of you being exclusive in a relationship or having an open relationship, that conversation was there from before the time she asked me out.
किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में अगर ये सोचना ही नहीं है कि वो तो नहीं कर रहा है, वो ये तो नहीं कर रही है,
No
अगर ये सब
games.
नहीं हो रहा है, there are no games, it's so much easier to just be together. And I've heard so many times that oh like ये queer relationship serious कैसे हो सकते हैं, because it's all about like your
It's so sexualized.
yeah. But take it from us, exclusivity in a queer relationship is so much possible.
And it's fun.
It's really fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we're two ordinary people.
Yeah.
It's an ordinary story, but what makes it so special is
What makes it extraordinary is when we come together.
and it's the love. It's the love that
It's the love that's there. Yeah.
holds us together that makes the story so extraordinary.
Finding love can be difficult, but एक बार ही मिल जाए तो पकड़ के रख लेना चाहिए. Happy Valentine's Day.
If you're watching this video and you liked it and you liked our love story, then make sure to hype this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Har Zindagi.